This works with Wi-Fi. It has a three-way plug-in, um, 4 USB ports. We are going to be testing it today. So I've plugged the device. I'm going to be using it to control these two lamps over here. So to connect it to your phone, you press this for 5 seconds and it starts beeping like this. So I'm going to jump over to the app now. So I have the app on my phone right now. I'm connecting it via Smart Light. So we are going to search for device. Add device. You have seen it already. So you ask for your Wi-Fi password. And you put your Wi-Fi password and you connect. So it's connecting right now. So it has connected. Just click down here. Then it's going to load the device as this smart socket. So as you see here, it has been connected. Okay, so these are the two lamps I want to control. We've connected it to my phone via smart app. So this is the general switch. I'm going to switch it on. As you can see, it's on. See how? It's on. I'm going to switch it off. Off. Okay, I'm going to turn on one. One is on. I'm going to turn on two. Two is on. Turn it off. Off. Turn one off. Off. So you can see it's working fine. Working perfectly. So I want to connect it. I'm going to show you how to connect it to Google Home so that you can use your voice command. I'll search for app Smart Light. Smart Light app. Continue. Quickly agree. So as you can see, that's integrated all the devices in my house. We have two buttons here. And the USB, that's this one of the USB. This is switch 3, that's this one here. This is switch 1, switch. This is the old switch, and this is the switch 2. So we add it to the room or a home we've created. So I'm going to add it to the living room. So now it's done. They are all loading now on the living room I created. Now I want to test the voice command. Hey Google, turn on switch 1.
Alright, turning the switch 1 on.
Hey Google, turn on switch 2.
Sure, turning on the switch 2.
Hey Google, turn off switch 1.
Sure, turning off the switch 1.
Hey Google, turn off switch 2.
Sure, turning the switch 2 off.